Hello and welcome. Right, so this month I want to show you 3 brand new apps that have been integrated into Canva that help you with finding icon and emojis that you may not necessarily find when searching in Canva. Okay, so I'm going to go over to create a design. I'm just going to go for the logo template so that we have a template appear. Over on the left hand side, scroll all the way down, there is a more option, and this is where all of the apps that are integrated with Canva are stored. When you start using them, it puts them into this left hand column here for easy access. So the first one I'm going to show you is Icon Duck. This is a fun one. It just brings up over 120,000 plus different icons and illustrations, all available through Icon Duck. These are all small icon type things that you can use on your designs. Just search in the box if there's anything in particular you're looking for, or you could just scroll through and find an amazing amount of different icons available here. So that's Icon Duck. That's the first one. If we go back to more, the next one is, let me see if I can find it, Pixton, P-I-X-T-O-N. Now this one gives you people. It gives you people doing things, activities. It gives you different occupations, medical, dentist, fitness, all sorts of different people icons. So you can search again in the top here by outfit, color, pose, etc. to find a person doing what you want them to do: dancing, running, jumping, drinking, anger, working, any type of person icon that you want, you can find here. So it's just an easier way of finding the different people type icons that you're looking for. Okay, and thirdly, I'm going to show you Emoji, which we can kind of guess what this one is. It is basically the emojis that we see on social media channels, but they are all here and easy to find in a very simple format. So you can now add any type of emoji that you want to any of your designs, and there are hundreds of them, absolutely hundreds of them. So all you need to do, as with all of them, just click on the icon and it will add it to your design, and then you can do as you wish, big, small. Some of them, most of them, you can change the colors of them to suit your branding, and then you can just add them into your designs. There's absolutely loads of these, hundreds of them. So that's just a super quick way of discovering and finding different types of icons and emojis that you normally wouldn't be able to find in the search bar easily. Icon Duck, Pixton and Emoji. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that has helped you discover more in Canva.